Welcome back to House Hunt Daily. Today we're exploring 7 affordable homes for sale across Alabama, each packed with potential and value. Let's dive in. Number 1. Birmingham, Alabama, $89,900. This spacious single-story home offers 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and 1,521 square feet of comfortable living space. Designed with a functional layout, the home provides plenty of room for both everyday living and entertaining. The living room features a cozy brick fireplace, perfect for relaxing evenings, while the kitchen includes ample cabinet storage and laminate countertops for easy meal prep. The primary bedroom comes with its own ensuite bathroom, offering privacy and convenience. 2 additional bedrooms provide flexible options, ideal for guests, a home office, or hobbies. Outside, you'll find a detached garage in a yard with space to unwind or host gatherings. Built in 1942 with classic brick construction, this property blends charm with opportunity, making it a standout among affordable homes for sale. Number 2. Birmingham, Alabama, $79,900. Here's a solid 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom home with 1,340 square feet, perfect for buyers looking to add personal touches. The spacious floor plan creates a comfortable flow between living areas, while the kitchen and bathroom are fully functional, allowing you to move in and update at your own pace. This home features a durable metal roof and a gas furnace HVAC system, adding long-term value and efficiency. A convenient carport provides covered parking, and the property sits on a stable foundation with plumbing and electrical systems already in good condition. With fresh paint and well-maintained trim, this is a great opportunity to build equity in the growing market of homes for sale. Number 3. Mobile, Alabama, $69,900. Set on approximately 2.5 acres, this 2-bedroom, 1-bath cottage offers a peaceful setting surrounded by beautiful oak trees. With 952 square feet of living space, this home is ideal for those seeking a quiet retreat or an investment opportunity. The property includes a 2-car carport and a fenced yard with additional land ready for clearing or customization. Inside, you'll find features like built-in bookcases, a cozy layout, and a covered front porch, perfect for enjoying the outdoors. While the home does need some TLC, it presents excellent potential to become a charming rental or personal getaway in the world of affordable homes for sale. Number 4. Moulton, Alabama, $59,000. This 2-bedroom, 1-bath home offers 754 square feet and sits on a desirable corner lot. A welcoming front porch creates the perfect spot to relax after a long day, adding to the home's simple charm. Currently serving as an investment property with a long-term tenant, this home provides immediate rental income potential. Inside, you'll find a practical layout, including a den, kitchen, and full bath. Built in 1984, it's a straightforward property with solid value, ideal for investors exploring budget-friendly homes for sale. Number 5. Chickasaw, Alabama, $89,900. This unique duplex in the historic district offers incredible flexibility in investment potential. Featuring 2 separate units, each with a 2-bedroom layout, you can continue using it as a multi-family property or convert it into a spacious 4-bedroom, 2-bath, single-family home. Recent updates include fresh ceramic tile flooring, exterior cleaning, and partial interior painting, giving the property a refreshed look. With a metal roof, driveway parking, and access to nearby community amenities, this home stands out among versatile homes for sale. Whether you're an investor or a buyer with vision, the possibilities are wide open. Number 6. Demopolis, Alabama, $100,000. This charming 4-bedroom, 2-bath cottage-style home offers 1,846 square feet of inviting living space on 2 lots. The welcoming front porch sets the tone, perfect for morning coffee or evening relaxation. Inside, the home features a warm, open layout filled with natural light and character. The spacious backyard provides plenty of room for outdoor entertaining, gardening, or future expansion. As a bonus, the second lot includes a 700-square-foot concrete block building, ideal for a workshop, studio, or extra storage. This property combines charm, space, and versatility, making it a standout choice among homes for sale. Number 7. Hartford, Alabama, $75,000. This cozy 2-bedroom, 1-bath home offers 720 square feet and sits on just under half an acre. The open layout seamlessly connects the kitchen, dining, and living areas, creating a comfortable and functional space. A 1-car attached carport with additional storage provides convenience, while the spacious backyard offers room for outdoor living, gardening, or future improvements. Located near major routes and within driving distance to several mountains and even the Florida Gulf Coast beaches, this property is perfect as a starter home, downsizing option, or investment. It's another great example of affordable homes for sale with room to personalize. Thanks for watching House Hunt Daily. Which of these homes for sale caught your eye? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more affordable home finds across the U.S.